Welcome, welcome, boys. This is an idle air control valve in a box. This is the idle air control valve, the new one, and its gasket outside of the box. And this is the old one on my 2002 Ford Crown Vic P71. There are two bolts that secure it in place. This one and another identical one underneath, because my 2002 uses the cables for the throttle. That gets a little bit in the way, so I have to use the small 1/4-inch ratchet, the small extension, the swivel, and then the 8mm. And then I can back that bolt out, and then I'll be able to back the bolt out on top. Just connect this breather hose, this electrical connector, and then once I clean the mating surface, we'll be able to put a new idle air control valve in. And this is us unthreading the top one. I just got the bottom one out. So once we get it out, you can see how long that bolt is. That's it. And that is our old idle air control valve and gasket out next to our new one. They do match. So let's put her in. Okay, boys. New unit installed. Take our pipe. Slide it back on. Then, of course, our electrical connector. To get this out, we just had to squeeze and pull. So we're going to dab some silicone grease in there and click it back in. Silicone grease. Bing, bang, boom. It's as easy as that. And that's how we install the idle air control valve in our 2002 Crown Vic. Now that we're done with that, I'll go through a story why you may want to do this and why I for sure want to do this. It is rather cold the other day, freezing. Below freezing, huge snowstorm, ice is out of control. I didn't notice it until I had gotten home, my temporary home. I'm between moving at the moment. And I didn't notice that the RPMs were really high because I had the blower on full speed. And of course, the O2 doesn't come with a tachometer, so I couldn't see the RPMs were high. When I threw it in reverse to back into the driveway, like, screeched the tires really bad. I go, what the hell? And then when I turned the blower off, I noticed the RPMs were really high. So it was idling at, like, who knows how many thousands of RPMs when I dropped it in reverse. And so it has kind of an idle down lag. When it goes to idle down, it kind of lags a little. So we're replacing that now before it becomes an even bigger problem before the next snowstorm. So if you have a problem with your idle, too high, taking forever to, your rev hanging, taking forever to go down, place your idle air control valve. It's as easy as that. And we'll be able to get some more proper videos filmed once I complete my move and get into the new house, because I'm working out of my sister's house at the moment. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.